I've been finding the way we're lying. Faith is dying and there's more to come. The roads are empty and I see simply that the fight within me is almost done.